This recipe is from the Bakers Club from Facebook with a little bit of twist. So the following are the things you'll need: a charcoal stove, a large sufuria, a wire rack to place the tray with the biscuits, or you can use 3 stones to raise the tray up. I'll put the measurement of the ingredients in the description box. This is margarine, cardamon, baking powder, salt, yogurt, plain yogurt, sugar, icing powder, and flour, all purpose. So I mix all the dry ingredients. So I put in the margarine after mixing all the kadhalikas, and I'll use my hand so that everything mixes together properly. I got this recipe from Facebook, Bakers Club, but I've twisted it a little bit. So Lucia Mogo used fresh milk. I used yogurt, plain yogurt. I think the recipe was calling for butter, but I used margarine. She used ginger, I used cardamoms. She also used brown flour mixed with all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding in the yogurt. So I'll have to mix it until the mixture mixes into a dough. Finya kabisa. You might be tempted to add more liquid, but don't. This thing will mix. Weka nguvu yote ugali hapo. You can see the dough is coming out nicely. Don't want wastage. Sitaki kupoteza unga yangu. Sasa hii unga kupatikana ni ngumu. Wacha ni chukue. So here I'm adding a little bit. I'm flouring the work table where I'll be rolling out the dough. So I'm using a little flour. So I'm going to roll it out, not so thinly and not so thick. Kiasi hapo kama ka sentimita kamoja hivi. Unless I'm wrong, but niliona kama ni sentimita moja. So I'm using cookie cutters. I bought these cookie cutters as a set of 3, so I'm trying out the, the 3 sizes. Hizi cookie cutters, they're second hand, za mtumba. Zibai sijui 50 bob. Can't remember. So they are my cookies. So I'm greasing my tray. This is the tray I'm using. It's not a baking tray. Just bought a regular tray from the supermarket. So I'll grease it. By the way, I use this tray while I'm baking on the jiko if it's biscuits. Mostly biscuits and cookies. So I'll place the cutout cookie doughs before I place them inside the big sufuria where you saw I had put a wire rack. That wire rack, I got it from an old stove, kerosene stove I had. So I've placed the tray inside the big pan, the sufuria. This sufuria is the biggest I have. It holds 10 liters of water. So I'll cover it with a lid. And by the way, I had preheated the jiko. It is on a, no, not the jiko, the sufuria. Here are the ready biscuits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Tell me what you think about it.